how we have made over $12,000 in 1 week with Clickbank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads. Now, as you can see over here, right, here are the daily results, daily sales that we are getting with Google pay-per-click ads and Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of the newest accounts. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because you see, I'm using different Clickbank accounts to promote different offers in different categories and niches online. Okay, this was in the digital space, so basically digital product space, not weight loss supplements. Okay, now let me show you exactly how we are doing this step by step in 2026. So if you're a beginner, maybe you are someone who has tried affiliate marketing before and failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because it's all about understanding buyers traffic or buyers clicks. You see, every guru on YouTube or any courses that you bought before are telling you the same thing. Okay, it's all about traffic, which is a big lie. Okay, you don't need a lot of clicks, you need the right type of buyers, the right type of clicks. Okay, so for that you need to have the right type of traffic, so that's called buyers traffic or buyers clicks. So you need buyers intent, right? People already searching for a solution to a problem they already have. Okay, they know they have. That's the most important thing. Now, what works in 2026 with Clickbank affiliate marketing is that all about its advertorials pre-sale pages where the readers guard stays completely down, meaning they don't know they're about to be sold to or buy the product. So that's the most important thing. So they feel like they discovered new solution. Okay, so this even works for you if you have never made a dollar online. So if you are someone who have bought courses, you tried Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, and you have failed, it's not your fault, right? Because you haven't been given the right keys or system, okay, that can allow you, and it will allow you to start having consistent, sustainable sales with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2026. So you don't need to have a big audience. You don't have to have a website or tech skills, okay? And even if you work a full-time job right now, 9 to 5, you can do this if you have at least 30 minutes per day. Now, okay, here's what happens once you step inside this program, right? You can see some of the students' results here with affiliate marketing using Clickbank. And again, buyers clicks, buyers traffic. She's from Spain. She's making over $25,000, right? 25,000 net profit with Clickbank affiliate marketing, okay, using Google pay-per-click ads. Now another person over here that we work together over the Zoom call, as you can see, okay, over here. Now the most important thing is that you don't have to have personal experience, okay? All you have to do is have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, so you can have these kind of results, as you can see over here, okay? Whatever your goal or dream is, it's still possible to do it in 2026. Now, as you watch this video, and if you are someone who wants to get serious results with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2026, okay, you can let me know over here. It's my WhatsApp under this video, my email, and my Facebook Messenger, where you can connect with me one-on-one, step by step, and actually get the right strategy and guidance and mentorship to actually move forward, to actually get to where you want to get, to actually having $10,000 months, or maybe you want to have $2,000 weeks. It's all doable if you do it step by step, and once you're in, you'll be able to go further and actually see the results for yourself. So let me know if you're serious, if you're someone who is action taker, not excuse maker, not someone who is waiting, always procrastinating. That is not for you. But if you are serious, if you're a smart person, and know you are because you're still watching this video, then you can connect with me one-on-one, and all the links are in the description below.